Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a refund on CapCut. Did you subscribe to CapCut Pro by mistake or get charged when you don't mean to? In this video, I will explain how to request a refund on CapCut step by step in very simple terms. CapCut refunds are not handled directly inside the app. Your refund depends where you subscribe, either through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. For that, open Safari on your iPhone. In the search bar, type reportproblem.apple.com. In my region, it doesn't support, but in your region, it may support. After that, type ID like to, then choose request a fund. Select the reason like I don't mean to subscribe or I don't intensely to purchase this. Then find CapCut from the list and tap submit. Apple will review your request. If approved, the refund usually arrives in a few days. After that, requesting a fund, cancel the CapCut subscription to avoid the future charges. If you cancel it from iPhone, go to the setting, tap on name. After that, tap on subscription. From here, you can cancel the subscription of any app, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.